Alright, so today's the day. We got to prep everything. We got to make everything work for this hurricane, keep the boat safe. So we're taking off the dinghy right now. We're going to remove the motor, put it up on the motor hoist, and take all the whatever's inside it. Then the plan is to put it upside down and strap it down to the top of the boat.
Well, maybe not. He crimped it. He crimped it after he passed it through the block.
Alright. What? Damn it, I used my one per day. Just used it. Now what?
Glad you're happy. There we go. Yeah, there. All right. Ease up. Put it down.
Let it down.
You gotta do any more?
I think it needs to go down more.
Yeah.
Time to put trigger the paddleboard back in the stable. It is Thursday and we have the boat ready. Did some extra fenders, double lines, took the dinghy, put it upside down, removed the motor, sunk the steps so we could pull them up later, took down all the sails, and we are now working on the rigging. I just wanted to show you around this marina a little bit. Here's some nice aerial footage that Eddie took today from the drone. You can see there is a lot of swamp around here. A lot of waters are ready, and the flood waters have not even arrived. Some of the homes are built off the ground and some are not. Hopefully this beautiful place will still look this beautiful tomorrow. I think it will. I think we have done a great job of outrunning this hurricane. We're going to feel some of the effects and we are prepared for them. But I think we're going to be okay. There's our boat, the music, and the sails are down. We're getting ready to take the canvas off of it. You can see that the skies are getting very ominous. The first bands of rain are coming through here. There is our friend's boat that we met in the ICW and now has become our friend. The boat is No Hurries, and Frankie is the captain of that ship, and he has been very helpful with getting us through the ICW by using his fish finder to get through the shallower spots and tell us which way to go. Secured the power supply, the plastic that holds it down so it wouldn't go flapping around. There's our dinghy upside down, deflated slightly, tied, double lines for the front of the boat and double lines for the back of the boat. There are the guys working on that right now. As with every marina, there are boats that really follow the rules and protect their own property and the property of those around them. And then there are some that just don't seem to care. I guess that's in every marina. Well, we are finally finished. It's about 9 o'clock and we are ready. Boat is ready for the hurricane. So we've had some gusts up to about 35 miles per hour, steady 20, but we're doing okay. I think we're ready. We are going to decide tomorrow whether to stay on the boat or to evacuate off, but our boat is ready. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us and like. Thank you for watching.